how can I explain the value of Amazon PPC for a potential client? So Amazon ads would have a potential, would have value for you if you first want to understand the platform itself, how much will it cost you to get to your goal. And then second, Amazon ads would have value for you if you are willing to compete with competitors whenever they are going to upgrade their listings here as well. And why am I saying this is because, especially now in 2026, what I'm seeing, Amazon ads is not just anymore, I'm just creating a campaign and it's going to work right away, unless you're a very well-known brand and most of your sales are coming from your branded terms, right? But right now, how Amazon ads work is, if you want to really see the value of Amazon ads, first off, be willing to understand that you have to also compete for those eyeballs to make sure that your listing is going to be chosen. And if they're not understanding that, no matter what you're going to tell them and explain to them and how logically you want to make this for them, it's not going to click. Why? Is because what I'm seeing is that most of the time, whenever we're talking to brands, they want to see the potential that the platform can bring to them. But in the same time, once that you are telling them that and you're showing them even case studies, in our case, look how did we grow this brand in 4 months or in 2 months or in 1 year, that's amazing. But they have a hard time understanding that is the ad portion, and the rest, which is the traffic, and the rest, the listing itself, the quality of the listing, the quality of the product, the quality of the images that are going to basically sell the listings. If that is not competitive and if they are not willing to always, same like with advertising, we are creating new ads, we are testing new things. The creative side, we are creating new images, we are testing new things, should be hand in hand. That is when they are going to see value. Otherwise, if you're going to tell them about how amazing is Amazon ads and it's an additional, platform for you to grow on, it's great, but then they don't have the second part, which is Amazon ads creatives are just as it has to have also their own merit and their own place there. Same way how you would be running any other type of ads.